Breaking cruise news. 8 positive cases of COVID-19 aboard Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas prompts cruise cancellations. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you would, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow, and allows us to continue bringing you this kind of cruising content. So 8 crew members have tested positive for COVID-19 on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Now on June the 4th, 1,400 members of the crew were fully vaccinated at that time, and then in a routine health and safety protocols, they were retested on June the 10th, and 8 of them tested positive. Now 6 of the 8 are completely asymptomatic. 2 of them are showing mild symptoms. Now, all 8 of them are currently in the medical facility in quarantine aboard the ship. They are reported to be in good health and are being monitored by medical staff. Royal Caribbean has also announced that in an abundance of caution, they've also re-quarantined the entire crew for 14 days as well, just to make sure that nothing is going to spread aboard the ship. Now, because of this, Royal Caribbean has canceled all sailings on the Odyssey of the Sea from July 1st to July 31st. Anybody that had cruises booked during that time period, of course, will be informed by Royal Caribbean, and at the time, Royal Caribbean will provide options for refunds or for rebooking of your cruises. So this is what I take from this. The health and safety protocols on board the ship are working. They did routine testing for COVID. They found 8 positive cases. They immediately have those 8 people quarantined and under medical supervision, and they're going to quarantine the rest of the crew for an additional 14 days just to make sure there is not a spread. And of course, they've canceled the beginning cruises in July just to make sure that it's completely off of the ship before they bring any passengers on. Now, we all know that you are never going to get COVID cases down to 0, at least not right now. But I do think this clearly shows that the protocols and the testing are working because they caught it. And this probably will not be the last time that we will hear about positive cases. We just heard last week about positive cases aboard the Celebrity Millennium. And I doubt this is going to be the last time we ever hear about this happening. But it is not the end of the world. It is not the cruise lines are dangerous, it's going to spread, or anything of that nature. It's just, again, to me, proof that the health and safety protocols are working as they're supposed to. The cruise lines are quarantining like they're supposed to, and they're stopping it from spreading like they're supposed to. So in my opinion, good job, Royal Caribbean, on keeping up with everything and keeping both the crew and future passengers safe. All right, well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If we hear any more information on this, we, of course, will share it with you. But until then, y'all have a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.